So here we are at Steve's garage working on his 68 Chevelle. And the problem with this thing is, this is his dream car. It's a beautiful car. And you know, it sounds like a hot rod. It looks...
Bel Air is my dream car.
Oh, okay.
57 Bel Air, but...
you can't interrupt the interview, okay? Because they don't need to know that. This is Steve's dream car. He don't know it yet because it doesn't run right yet. But here's the deal. 68 Chevelle. And the problem is, it won't get out of its own way. It won't spin the tires. And for a classic muscle car, that's a no-go. By the way, the power plant, 307. Smog inhibited, basically. This was during the smog era. And they gave it no horsepower. Like 100 and, I think it was 14-ish. Something like that, stock. It's got a 4-barrel on it and a Performer Edelbrock. But guess what? It still won't get out of its own way. So, Steve looked into all his options and we've decided to make power out of this 307. We're going to show you how to do that.